Hello and welcome to today's video on how to become a successful UGC creator. If you're new to the world of UGC, it can be a bit overwhelming to figure out where to start and how to stand out in a sea of content creators. However, with a few tips and tricks, you can build a successful career as a UGC creator and start working with top brands in no time. In this video, we'll be sharing our best advice on how to create high-quality UGC content, find your first clients, and price your content for success. So, whether you're looking to start a side hustle or turn your UGC into a full-time career, this video is for you. Let's get started. So, what is an UGC creator? A UGC creator is someone who creates user-generated content, which refers to any content created by users rather than by a company or organization. This type of content can take many forms, including text, images, videos, and audio, and is valuable because it provides social proof, improves search engine rankings, and increases engagement on a platform. The most popular form of UGC is content that is shot from a phone and used by brands and companies to create organic and ad content that looks like it was made by a real user of the product. This type of content is particularly effective on platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, which heavily influence people's buying decisions. Brands want to create content that looks as organic and natural as possible because they know that this is the type of content that generates the most sales and revenue. UGC is commonly found in the form of TikTok videos or Instagram reels, and companies are now incorporating UGC into their marketing strategies to engage with their audience and build brand awareness, as UGC is seen as a more authentic and trustworthy form of content. It has become increasingly important in modern marketing and advertising.
Okay, so why is UGC a great side hustle to start? Well, becoming a UGC creator can be a great side hustle for those who love being creative and who love spending time on social media. It's a low-cost business venture that requires nothing more than a smartphone, some editing software, and a portfolio to get it started. One of the biggest advantages of becoming a UGC creator is the low startup cost. You don't need fancy cameras or expensive equipment, and you don't have to invest in any costly training programs. Learning by doing is the key, and you get better with every video you create. Moreover, depending on your pricing structure and how many brands or agencies you work with per month, you can easily make an additional 1K a month or more. However, we know a lot of UGC creators who do it full-time and earn at least 5K a month. Being a UGC creator is also a fun and creative side hustle. If you enjoy following TikTok trends, bringing your ideas to life, and making money with it, then this could be the perfect opportunity for you. Additionally, it offers the chance to experience what it's like to be a content creator without having a single follower on social media and without the pressure of being a real influencer. So to get started, you'll need a smartphone with a good quality camera, a video editing software like CapCut, which is completely free and super user-friendly, and a portfolio showcasing your work. With these three things, you can begin creating user-generated content that could potentially earn you a significant income. Overall, being a UGC creator is just a great way to use your creativity, skills, and social media presence to generate extra income on the side.
So, who can become an UGC creator? Okay, let's talk about why basically anyone can become a UGC creator. That's right, regardless of your background, experience, or expertise, anybody who's comfortable being on camera and really likes creating content can be an UGC creator. So, what do UGC creators create? Well, they usually create content about products to share their experiences, opinions, or insights with others and get paid for that. But there's a big misconception on this topic that in order to be a UGC content creator, you have to be like an influencer or an expert or have model-like looks, but the truth is, they're just normal people creating that content. If you're a mom with 3 kids at home, you're probably going to take advice or look to other moms in your similar income bracket and age bracket over some celebrity endorsement. We kind of know that those are paid for, and we don't really relate to those people. They have a completely different lifestyle than us, so you don't have to be perfect or anything like that to be an UGC creator. But you do have to be comfortable around cameras, so keep that in mind. But that's not the only option. It depends, of course, on your niche. If you're trying to get into electronics, unboxings, and stuff like that, you really only need to show your hands, so maybe take care of your nails. So, how to choose your niche? As an UGC creator, it's not necessary to limit yourself to just one specific niche. In fact, many successful creators have multiple niches listed on their profiles, as you can see over here on Fiverr. However, it's important to choose niches that you are passionate about and have some knowledge in. This will allow you to create content that is engaging and valuable to your audience. For example, if you have a passion for beauty, you could create content focused on skincare, makeup tutorials, or product reviews and position yourself as an expert in this niche. So, building a portfolio. This is really important. Your portfolio is essentially a showcase of your work, and it's an essential tool for marketing yourself to potential clients or brands. First, you want to include a brief bio about yourself and the niche you would like to concentrate on. This will give potential clients an idea of your expertise and what kind of content they can expect from you. Next, include a few examples of your work. 3 to 5 is a good amount. Just pick a few brands that you already have lying around at your house and create UGC videos about them so you can include them in your portfolio. You can make your portfolio public or private, depending on your preference. If you want to keep it private, you can use a platform like Google Drive to share a link with potential clients. To create your portfolio, you can use a tool like Canva to design a visually appealing layout. Then, create a Google Drive folder to store your portfolio and share the link with anyone who's interested in working with you. Remember, your portfolio is a reflection of your skills and creativity, so take the time to make it look professional and engaging. By having a strong portfolio, you'll be more likely to attract the attention of brands and companies looking for UGC creators.
Okay, next up, I'll show you how to create high-quality UGC content. Here are 6 tips to help you take your UGC content to the next level. Okay, number 1. Film multiple engaging hooks. The most important thing when creating UGC content is the hook. You need to grab your audience's attention and get them to stop scrolling and watch your video. Some great hooks include TikTok trends, post-it notes, the TikTok response bubbles, surprising content, and satisfying stuff. Whenever you're working with a client, create 2 separate engaging hooks so they can choose. My second tip is to always use golden hour lighting. Lighting is key for your videos. It affects your video quality and makes it look a lot more aesthetic. So always try to film during golden hour if possible, or invest in a good ring light. Third, always have a clean background. A cluttered or messy background can be distracting and take away from your overall aesthetic. Add nice picture frames, art, candles, lights, or plants to enhance your video's aesthetic. Next, beware of any background noises. Noisy appliances such as the dryer, washing machine, or AC can be really distracting. If possible, use a voiceover so you can minimize any background noise. Tip number 5 would be you should feel comfortable on camera, so always take care of your appearance. Do your hair and makeup or anything else that will make you feel good in your skin. Don't underestimate how much more confident you'll seem on camera if you just feel good about yourself. Okay, and the last tip is always shoot your content in 4K. Shooting in 4K provides better image quality and makes your videos look a lot more professional. Okay, so how can you get your first clients? Well, as a UGC creator, there are 2 main ways to approach marketing yourself: inbound marketing and outbound marketing. Inbound marketing involves creating content as a creator, influencer, or UGC creator and waiting for brands to notice you and reach out to you via email. This is a good way to start if you're already a content creator and looking to make some extra money. Just write UGC creator in your bio and use relevant hashtags, as brands will be searching for those keywords. However, as we said before, building a following is not necessary to become a successful UGC creator. Okay, outbound marketing involves a more traditional approach to sales, such as cold calls and advertising. If you want to do this full time and don't want to wait around for someone to notice you, a more aggressive approach may be necessary to get your first clients. Reach out to small brands that you already like directly via email and provide your portfolio. Be really professional about it and explain to them how you can help them out with their business and just the overall value you can provide. Reach out to multiple brands since not all of them are going to reply. Once you're in contact with a brand that's interested, invite them to a call to discuss further details and understand their vision. If both parties are in agreement, send over a proposal and a contract to protect yourself and the brand. The contract should include details such as payment amount and timeline, deadlines, and the number of revisions accepted. Finally, deliver your content via email or Google Drive. Another easy way to start is to sign up for a third-party marketplace like Trend, B-Roll, Billow, #Paid, Fiverr, or Upwork. These platforms allow brands to actively look for UGC creators, giving you the opportunity to get seen by brands and potentially get contacted if they like your portfolio. However, it's important to note that these websites often don't pay really well. You will most likely get paid better when you work with a brand directly. Okay, so if you're just starting out in the UGC industry, it can be hard to know how much to charge for your services. A good starting point is to price your videos at around $100 per video. This is a reasonable price point for both you and the brand, and it's a good way to build up your portfolio and experience. As you start to work with more clients and gain more experience, you can start to increase your prices. This means improving the quality of your content, being more authentic in your videos, and increasing the creativity and uniqueness of your videos. It's important to keep in mind that pricing your UGC content is not just about how much you want to make, but also about how much value you can provide to the brand. You want to make sure that the brand is getting a good return on their investment and that they are happy with the content that you're creating for them. Thank you guys so much for watching. What do you think about UGC content creation? Is it something you would consider? Let us know in the comments.
If you like this video, don't forget to watch our other side hustle videos. See you next time!